Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. We are in Module 2 and Information Technology. We are just for our understanding what we learn from here. So look here, this is the pattern that would be happen in your next exam. Here we summarize few MCQ. We have to answer it. There are alternative A, B, C. You have to put the right answer. And there are the answer, most are the similar. Sometimes it can be very similar. So that is the critical problem is that if you do not answer the right one, so you would lose the marks. That means a human order taker can be bypassed when using A or N, that means automated system, management information system, decision support system, transaction processing system. What would be the answer? A, B, C, or D? Can volunteer someone?
Automatic system.
But real answer is transaction processing system. So what is that? A human order taker can be bypassed when used transaction processing system. It is basically answer more or less similar, but real answer is transaction processing system. And if we go number 2, proceed data is called what? Proceed data is called, that is you work on data. So it's record field information. It must be information. Okay?
Yes, sir, information.
So let's see the answer. Answer is here written. If we see the answer, yes, answer is D, information. So this is the type of question. And come here, the dash can help you choose a product. So what would be the answer? A, B, C, D, A. Management information system, transaction processing system, decision support system, office automation system. Can help you choose a product.
Maybe decision support system.
Say the answer. What is it? Answer C, decision support system. The decision support system can help you choose a product. That means how we can choose our product. Decision support system is the logical thing that can be the help to choose the product. Now number 4, dash is the most basic element of a data. So what is the basic element of data? Field, record, character, database. What would be the answer?
Character.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. So answer is character. It means this is basically 1 marks. So you got the marks. So character is the most basic element of data. And number 5, and internet that is accessible by outside workers. So what? MIS, firewall, extranet, and internet. What would be the answer? Let's see.
So by internet, sir.
Internet that is accessible by outside workers. Here answer saying C, extranet.
জি স্যার, এক্সট্রানেট। এক্সট্রানেটের অ্যাক্সেসর অথরাইজড বিজনেস পার্টনারদের মধ্যে এবং হচ্ছে কাস্টমারদের মধ্যে এক্সট্রানেট। জি স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
Yes. If we see 6, which of the following information system are used in the daily running of a business? So OTP, we know what is OTP. Sometimes we can say one-time password system, TDS, OS. That means here answer is B. That means TBS, transaction processing system. So which of the following information system are used in a daily running of the business? So transaction processing system is the operating system are used in the daily running of the business. Which of the following is an EIS? So here, external information system, extended information system, electronic experience system, and executive information system. So we have basically we can say that it is the
It is D.
executive. Yes,
Executive.
you are right. D is the correct answer. Executive information system. And 8, to determine demand for internet service in a mark, companies should survey what? So to determine demand for internet service in a market, companies who are the internet provider, how they should survey. With that means here difference percentage of have access of the internet, percentage that purchase online, percentage that use the internet to information their buying decision, all of the above. So what would be the answer? We can say
All of them.
All
sir.
of them,
all
sir.
of them. Yes, you are right. So all of the that means a survey, a company survey the demand of the market for the internet by that all item. Which of the following system component is responsible for ensuring that the system is working to fulfill its objective? Output, processing, feedback, control. What?
Control, sir.
Feedback, sir.
Yes, you are right. Control is the item. So, in terms of the system, finished product and information are example for feedback, control, processing, output. What would be the answer?
Output.
Output.
Sir, output.
Yes, answer D is output. In 11, which of the following describe exchange between a system and the system or a system and any external agency? Interface, supersystem, environment, and subsystem. Answer is
System, sir.
interface.
Oh, sorry.
Interface describe exchange between a system and the system or a system and any external agency through the interface. And a system, number 12, a system that respond to change in the environment and modify its operation according to known as a deterministic system, closed system,
Adaptive system,
adaptive.
sir. Yes, sir.
So if we see the answer is here, answer C, an adaptive system. You are 100% right. They can adaptive system. 13. Which category of computer-based information system is concerned with supporting the functional area of an organization? A strategic information system, expert system, end-user computing system, business information system. Our answer would be here, business information system. If we see number 14, in terms of the resource that support information system, the procedure used by the people are example of hardware resource, people resource, data resource, and software resource. We know that as the component of the resource, types of the resource also. The answer would be, what would be answer, sir?
Software resource, sir.
Software resource, yes. 15, we are seeing that which of the following defines the scope of a system. A scope of a system, feedback mechanism, interface, boundary, process. What would be the answer? We know that all systems have the boundary, and here really boundary is the scope of the system, that where the work can be done with that boundary. 16. Which category of the computer-based information system is concerned with improving efficiency, by applying information technology to common administrative tasks such as creating business document. Which category of computer-based information system in connected with improving efficiency by applying information technology to common administrative tasks such as creating business document? So your answer is B, office automation system is the number 16. Now if we see the 17, information system that monitor the elementary activities and transaction of the organizations are here management level system, knowledge level system, strategic level system, operational level system. Here sees that information system that monitor the elementary activities. So what would be the answer, sir?
Operational level system, maybe.
Yes, you are right. Operational level system. So if we see 18, deciding where to locate a new production facility is an example of a manufacturing and production information system operating at the operational, management, knowledge and strategic level. That means which
Strategic
level?
level.
Mentioning that is saying that strategic level.
Yes, sir.
Decide where, that means strategic level. If we go for 19, assembling a product, identifying customer and hiring employees are transaction, phases, business process and business function. What would be the answer?
So business
Is the
function.
business process.
Says. Oh.
Process. So is the more or less similar, but answer is that. So enterprise system support. Enterprise system support, manufacturing process, financial and accounting process, human resource process, all of the above. So answer
All of the
above. It is the that means we're expecting the answer is that D. Yes, all of the above. Now if we see 21, dash where the original type of information system developed to support managerial decision making. What is that? Management information system, decision support system, management tasking system, strategic information system. We can say it can be A or B.
Sir, A, sir. Management information system.
So answer is A. You are 100% right. So management information system, where the original type of information system developed to support managerial decision making. An information system, what is that?
Collection of data.
Collection of data. A collection of data. So let's see the answer. Yes, you are. Oh my God, a process data. The answer. Look here. So answer is a proceed data. Information. That means a proceed data. That means আমরা যে ডাটার উপরে কাজ করে ফেলেছি এটা হচ্ছে information. Then more or less it is the similar, but look here, the information is a proceed data. If the ICAB sets up a web-based information system that faculty could access to record student grade and to advise C student, that would be an example of an the CRM, intranet, ERP, etc. So it would be intranet. Yes. Let's see what's answer say. Yes, intranet. To improve the performance of a business process, which of the following is most relevant? To improve the performance of a business process: input, processing, control and feedback, output. What would be the answer? Control and feedback.
Control and feedback. Sir.
So, but sometimes is we can say that processing also is a fundamental thing. Input, output, all are the similar, but in this cases, control and feedback. And if we go 25, dash is any business related exchange such as payment to employees, sales to customer, or payment to supplier. Input, data, e-commerce, a transaction. What would be that? Answer?
Transaction.
Transaction. And dash is the term of the encompassed all from the technology used to create, store, exchange, and use information in its various forms. Computer technology, network, client server, information technology. What would be the answer? Answer is
Information technology.
information technology. And number 27, dash is an electronic device which convert raw data into meaningful information. Hardware, software, compiler, and computer. So what?
Compiler, sir.
Computer. Within the computer, in an electronic device which convert raw data into meaningful information. And 28, dash is the utilization of technology to improve the realization of office function. Office automation. What would be the answer?
Office automation.
Office automation. Number 1, but this A is the office automation. And 29.
Design.
Look, the answer is monitoring. Answer is monitoring. So how we that call? The first stage in the problem solving process is called in the monitoring stage. During the stage, potential problems or opportunities are identified and defined in the monitoring stage. So, MCQ of hardware types. The hardware device commonly referred to as the brain of the computer.
The CPU.
CPU.
Yes, sir. Number B.
Yes, B, CPU, Central Processing Unit. And 31, when a bank teller use a computer terminal to know the balance in a customer's account, it is an example of what would be the answer?
Online query, sir.
Online query. In 32, a dash is used to read handwritten or printed text to make a digital image that is stored in memory.
Scanner.
Touchpad, laser, scanner, printer. What would be the
Scanner,
written
sir.
in the hand? Here said C, scanner.
Yes, sir.
A scanner is used to read handwritten or printed text to make a digital image that is stored in memory. So sometimes when we see that handwritten, our answer that time we will take that touchpad. Okay, but here is the meaning is different things. So handwritten or printed, all go for the through the scanner. We can make it as digital image and can be stored in our memory. So if we see 33, a device for changing the connection of a connector to a different configuration is, what would be that? A converter, an adapter, an attachment, a component. What
Adapter maybe, sir.
What would be the answer? Answer B, an adapter. You are right, adapter. In 34, peripheral device. So just we discuss, such as printers and monitors are considered to be what?
Hardware, sir.
Hardware. So this is the this chapter's answer. It is the hardware. Okay. And if we see number 35, the other name of motherboard is What is the central board, system board, computer board, mouse? What is motherboard?
System board.
Other is the system board. System board. And if we 36, a computer that control process and accept data in a continuous infinitive loop, feedback loop, data higher loop, data traffic, etc. What would be the answer? Here answer is B, feedback loop.
Feedback loop, sir.
Yes. So DSKI was invented, and we have seen in our course, that means chapter also, and also this taken from this reference. So what would be the answer? In which year this invented? Is invented in 1947. And 1946 invented ENIAC. So after inventing ENIAC, and next year invented DSCAD. So here the period from 1976 to present is known as which generation of computer?
Third generation. Fifth generation.
No, third. But answer is saying that fifth generation. But fifth generation is just now. That means look here is the present.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yes.
For present, sir. Yes.
Present. My main thing is present. So present, that means fifth generation. Speed of laser printer is measured which thing? So we should know that type of meaning also. I
Sir,
think
ppm, sir.
Yes.
Yes, per minute.
Yes, later on I will put all the meaning. So answer is ppm. Yes. Secondary memory is also known as, what is that? Primary memory, secondary memory, auxiliary memory. What is that? Answer is auxiliary memory.
Auxiliary memory.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Index hold is related to hard disk, CPU, floppy disk, printer. Which hold the index? Which item in here hold the index? Answer is B, CPU index. What is the full form of IP?
Internet protocol.
Internet protocol, intermediate protocol, internet processing, immediate processing. So internet protocol. If we see the answer, internet protocol. Dash is a program that accepts a symbolic language program, assembler, compiler, loader. What would be the answer? Here, assembler. So assembler is a program that accepts a symbolic language program. RAM stands for read-only memory, read access memory, etc. So what would be the answer?
Random access memory, sir.
Yeah. Here, B, random access memory. In the 45, which of the following is used between CPU and RAM to speed up the processing power of CPU? What?
Cache memory, sir.
Flash memory, yes.
Number B. No, sir, flash, no, sir. Cache memory, sir. Number B.
Oh. C, B.
G, sir.
Okay. Let's see what is the answer. B. So that type MCQ will come in your exam, and another thing you would come in your exam, another pattern is true false. So there sometimes can be logical sentence, it can be true or false. You have to answer it true or false. So look here, number 1. In an era of steady rising cost, computer costs have been decreasing dramatically because of the rapid development of both hardware and software technology. So basically, the sentence is true.
Sir. Yes, sir.
There is no option, it's true. So answer is true. So if we go number 2, a computer is a device capable to perform computation and making logical decision at a speed millions, that means even billions of times faster than human being can. It
Yes,
also be
true,
true.
sir.
Yes. The computer programs that run on a computer are referred to as hardware. So it
False.
is true or false?
False, sir.
False.
False.
You are right. Yeah. And computer program guide the computer through orderly set of action specified by people called computer program.
True, sir.
True.
Sir.
Then the arithmetic and logic unit ALU is responsible for performing calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It contains the decision mechanism that allow the computer, for example, to compare two items from the memory unit and determine whether or not they are equal. So it is
True, sir.
100%
True.
true. Yeah. And if we see number 6, with high level language, single statement can accomplish some essential tasks. What is true or false? Is
True,
also
sir.
true. The cost per unit of primary memory is much less than the cost per unit of secondary memory. So what would be the
False. False,
answer?
sir. False.
Is saying the true.
Primary memory to sir
The
দামটা
cost
বেশি
per
স্যার
unit of primary memory is much less than the cost per secondary memory. So secondary memory we are purchasing and adding with our device also. So this, so it can be just we should just justify the answer also. So here another one, multi-programming involves the simultaneous operation of many jobs on the computer. The computer shared its resource among the job competing to that attention. What would be the
True, sir.
answer? Is
True, sir.
true. In 1981, IBM introduced the IBM personal computer. This quickly legitimated personal computer in business, industry, and government organization. It is also true.
Yes, sir.
Machine language is the natural language of a particular computer. It is defined by the hardware designed to the computer. It is true.
True, sir.
In a computer, an interrupted require is a hardware signal sent to the processor that temporarily stop to the running program that allow a special program in interrupted handler to run instead.
True, sir.
True.
Maybe.
Read-only memory ROM, it is a non-volatile memory used to store permanent program used in certain computer components.
True, sir.
True. A disk contains the core file of an operating system is used to boost up the operating system. What would be that?
True, true,
True.
sir.
Computer, the basic unit of information in computing and digital communication. It's
True, sir.
also true. Keyboard is used to represent a single alphabetic character, punch cut, mark, and other symbol. So what is
Yes, true,
saying?
sir. True, sir.
True. So this here also 15 numbers. So we will continue all that number that here 15 and another. So through chapter wise chapter. So it's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet with you with next week, and I will give you the soft copy. So thank you, Sarara. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.